In a large resealable plastic bag, we are going to add our boneless, skinless chicken thighs, about 1.5 pounds. Then we're going to add our chopped minced garlic, our chopped cilantro, red pepper flake, cumin, salt, olive oil, and fresh squeezed lime juice. Next, we're going to seal the bag and make sure that the chicken gets nicely coated with the marinade. And then we're going to proceed to refrigerate it and let it marinate continuously in the refrigerator for 2 hours. After that 2 hours, we're going to set the Instant Pot on saute. We're going to warm up some oil. And once that oil's ready, we're going to add the chicken thighs. Make sure to save the rest of the marinade because that's going to go on last before we slow cook. We're going to cook the chicken about 5 to 6 minutes or until brown on both sides. It smells so good. Crazy thing is you have to wait 6 hours to eat this delicious smelling chicken. Okay, now we're gonna take the rest of the marinade. I'm just gonna pour it on the chicken. And spread it a little bit there. And now we're ready to put the lid on. Now we're gonna set to slow cook 6 hours on normal and wait 6 hours. Once it's done, it's just gonna fall apart, easily shredded, and you can do whatever you want with it. You can make burritos, you can put it on a salad, or you can just eat it plain. Tonight I'm making tacos, and they came out so good. I'm gonna have to make this recipe more often. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you try this recipe. The recipe is going to be down below in the description. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see some more Instapot recipes, I'm planning on making some more. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Goodbye.